Late night extravaganza. Tonight we'll be changing rear differential cover plate on a GMC truck. Things you'll need. So that's a, by the way, that's a GM 8.5-inch 10-bolt differential. I picked up a new chrome-plated one from Summit Racing. Let's hope that it fits. Very nice. Came with the gasket. Very nice. I've got some Royal Purple 75W90 gear oil catch pan, Milwaukee ratcheting wrench, electric, cordless, some WD-40, half-inch socket. Come on, what is it called? It's called a torque wrench. Alright, torque wrench, Allen keys, Teflon, and a chisel. Alrighty, let's get to it. Question number 1. How frozen are these bolts? We'll find out. Not at all. Oh. That's our fortune end there already. Now, I don't really want to use a breaker bar because these are not very big. Obviously, they might snap if I try anything funny. Alright, let's WD-40 it and hammer it. Alright, so this guy died, unfortunately, so I'm gonna have to film it by hand. Sorry for the shaking. Anyways, against my better judgment, I wound up going to the breaker bar. And do make sure you use a good half-inch socket, like one like these. Not like this guy. This one was kind of slipping. Not that good. Anyways, from here, I got my oil catch pan ready to go. I'm gonna release most of the bolts. Alright, now got that last one up top. I'm only gonna loosen it a bit. This leftover from the previous brake system. Come on. Yeesh. How lazy do you have to be to leave this thing on? Anywho, just gonna loosen this one. Not gonna remove it all the way. That should be good enough. Reason is, you don't want that thing to just come crashing down and splash gear oil all over your face. So then, from here, found it. Alright, let's see. Alright, there is some oil in there, which is an encouraging sight to see. So, wasn't leaking nearly as bad as I thought it might have been. Now then, I will carefully remove this top bolt here. Filming and working at the same time. I am so talented. Okay. The inside doesn't look half bad. They don't look so bad. I mean, I'm no expert, but I don't see any chewed up gears in here. Good. I'm happy. It makes me very happy. Alright, next up, I'm gonna scrape off any remaining gasket. I'm gonna be careful, try not to scratch this thing. Alright, clean it off. I'm reasonably happy. Let's compare the new one with the old one. The bolt pattern to me looks just about the same. It's got the same kink here, and it's hard to see but because it's so rusty, but good. Same bump out. The only difference I can see is this one has this fill nut here, or fill cap, whatever you want to call it. I do know I think we should be removing this and wrapping some Teflon tape on it, otherwise it will leak. Summit Racing, kind enough to provide all new hardware. Much appreciated. Alright, so I got this thing mounted up. Needed both hands, so didn't film that. Just hand threaded this one, hand tighten it. Made sure I aligned the gasket properly. I still don't know if that's a drain plug or a fill plug. Probably a fill plug. You probably fill the oil right up to the top where this guy is. So let me get the rest of the hardware. Hand tighten all 10 bolts. All right, it's all bolted up. It's as far as it'll go by hand. Let's now break out the trusty torque wrench. Got it set to 10 foot-pounds. And now I'm gonna tighten them. Order is important. Let's see if I can get this right. We will go top, bottom, side, side, here, and here, and here, until my ratchet here clicks. There we go, that's 10. Huh, that one didn't bite. Okay, whatever. It's 10. Teflon tape. Right, this ain't no fancy shit. It's just regular plumber's PTFE thread seal tape. Alright, got her all threaded up. Threaded it. Went about 2 times around it. Seems alright. Okay. Set that aside. Now it's time for the last step. Royal Purple 75W90. 1 quart. I'm not actually sure if that's enough.
Put it in the hole.
Aw, man. It's not even cut. Have I got something for you? Woo-doo-doo. Woo!
Whoa!
1 quart seems to have filled it exact to the brim. So now I'm gonna put the plug back. Don't know how tight I'm supposed to go. Let's not over tighten it, I guess. All right. I'm gonna make sure this is all nice and clean so that I can tell after I drive it if this is leaking from the plug or not, or whether or not it's leaking down below. You know, that sort of thing. No, my apologies. I'm wrong. It's not 1 quart. I read it's anywhere from 2 to 3 quarts for an 8.5 inch. Some people say you need to remove this plug here. This is in the back. And fill it up to within half an inch. So I'm going to go get more gear oil and finish the job. Right, so here's what I get for assuming stupid shit. Of course, it's nighttime and most car parts stores are closed. I had to go get this shit from Walmart. I don't know what the fuck this is. Gonna be diluting the nice Royal Purple with what's probably 2-month-old bacon grease. Okay, lesson learned. Right, this bit here, this bolt nut plug, it just takes a standard 3/8 inch square socket, loosen it up. Alright, 2 quarts roughly did the trick. I can put my pinky in there and about maybe half an inch down is where the fluid level is. So I'm gonna say that's about enough. Maybe another half quart would really fill it right to the edge of the hole. And that's... now we're done. Now we're good. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much. I'm gonna penetrate this mountain. Getting closer. Almost there. Oh!